Hi guys, let's read this question and do it. If the expression 4x squared minus 12x plus 2m plus 8 is a perfect square, find the value of m. Guys, I have already started to do this question, and what I have already done is that I am given an example of finding the perfect or completing the square. And so I have done the quadratic equation, the general quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So guys, from there you come and divide by a throughout. Dividing by a throughout, guys, we find the square root of x, we write there, and then we find the half of b over a, which is b all over 2a, and we square that, minus b squared all over 2a squared. This one plus c all over a is equals to 0. Guys, now for the perfect square, guys, we only have this term. This is the only term we have for perfect square. And so guys, we don't have these other terms. And so guys, when we are saying that this equation is perfect square, that's what we are now going to do. We are going to put this equation right here and do the same, but now we shall not have these other terms because it's already a perfect square. So we shall have 4x squared minus 12x plus 2m plus 8 is equals to 0. You can now divide by 4 throughout. Like that. So that we have x squared minus 3x plus a half m plus 2 equals to 0. Now we can complete the square, though we know it's already a complete, a perfect square. So we shall find a half of a square root of 2 minus a half of that is a half of b, will now be equal to 3 all over 2. And now we square that. So as I have said, guys, for us, this is the only what we have when it is a perfect square. We don't have all the other terms. So guys, this is now supposed to be equal to 0. In other words, these two equations are the same, because as we have said, this equation is a perfect square, and so when it is like this, it's actually a perfect square. And so therefore we can now expand this. If we expand, we shall get x squared, then x multiplied by, we are expanding like this, guys, x minus 3 over 2, multiply again x minus 3 over 2. So when we expand that, we shall get x squared minus 3 over 2x minus again 3 over 2x, now plus 9 all over 4. So therefore, guys, we shall have x squared minus, this is now 6 all over 2 plus 9 all over 4, like that. Guys, now we can compare with our original equation, but before we do that, let's complete. We shall have x squared is minus 3 plus 9 all over 4, like that. And guys, what we are comparing with, guys, is this equation right here, because remember already we have divided by 4 and we are getting this from that. So guys, we shall now compare with now this equation. And so we come here and write the equation again. our equation is x squared minus 3x. Here we have an x, like that, minus 3x plus I have m plus 2. All these, because all these, they are equals to 0. And so therefore, guys, you can see this is equals to that. This is also equal to that. And so therefore, 9 over 4 should be equal to I have m plus 2. That is 9 over 4 should be equal to I have m plus 2. So we are going to find m right now. So we shall have 9 over 4 now minus 2. The 2 can be written as 8 all over 4. Because when you divide that, it becomes 2. This one is going to give us 1/4. And this is what we are seeing is equals to I have m. And so therefore m is going now to be equal to 2 all over 4, which is the same as I have. So guys, we've got our m. And thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.